Greetings and evening. This is William Newing from Linwood, Washington, Linwood Wikispeed product owner. And I'm joined by Stanley, one of our interns also.
Hello.
Recently graduated and finished the CSM and CSPO. Unfortunately, we didn't do the quick enough, but Gunnar also graduated and finished the CSPO last class as well. So sweet. Talk about having two interns with certified Scrum Master, certified Scrum Product Owner certifications already as of 2017. Fantastic. Today, we're not going to cook a chicken, but today we did some emails out to Coronaver and Tag and David. We also did some work on the Wikispeed Works, how Wikispeed works or why Wikispeed works one pager. Then we created a backlog of items for the road legal requirements off of the Washington State RCWs. And there they are. Yes, all of that. We also took that and imported into Trello as well, which is fantastic. The next step to do would be to clean some of this up to figure out what's already done and what still needs to be done, which is probably quite a lot more, I understand. But some of these are, for example, tires, must be pneumatics, suspension systems, maybe seat belts. Already we have those. But the rest of these will definitely need to be done. So they'll need to be prioritized. And we'll figure out what type of order they'll need to be. I mean, it used to be, or it is, highest value. So for us, what does that look like? So that's what we recommend, or that's what's next. What we recommend in doing to make this faster was to actually have two people. Since it was basically on an A3 card, a lot of the information was pretty small and it was also bulleted, which helps organizing, but there was a lot. So having one person dictate read, having the other person write out made it actually a lot quicker. And then splitting that out into which ones to put into Trello and which one needs to be updated, since there were some in Trello already. So that is what is going on. And that's what we recommend. Stanley, anything to share with the rest of the people in the world that are watching this video or to do? You were finally able to come out and join us and visit. We had some really exciting projects and brainstorm. So anything?
Well, yeah, I'm glad I'm back. I'm glad I could make it here. And, well, I don't have much to add, just I'm looking forward to keep working with you guys.
Thank you. No, however, I'm going to have to correct you. Apologies, but you did put a GPS.
Right. Yeah. I'm just focusing on like the hardware side of things. But yeah, I help adding a map in the website, wikispeed.org, pointing to the direction of Wikispeed headquarters here on Linwood. So users can see the exact location of the housings. One of their biggest concern was it's difficult to find. So now they have a map with the coordinates of Wikispeed.
That's fantastic. That's excellent. What that also means, and if and when this works, and it looks like it might, and it's showing up, we've tested it out, and even on both of my phones as well as the computer, it's looking great on Chrome and on Safaris and on, I believe, Google. So what that means is we can also scale this to different other Wikispeeds. And if we want, we can totally even look at other people's locations and put a different type of pin, like a smaller one instead of a bubble, is what the Google one says. If we can put a pin for people who volunteer or people who are product owners of certain Wikispeeds, we can put their initials or whatever they want designations on that pin and say this is where they are.
Yeah.
If they choose to, if they want to opt in for that.
Yeah, that's doable.
So yeah, it'd be great to see where they are in the world, and we could spin it on this 3-dimensional globe and Wikispeed's everywhere. and people can see it, as opposed to just hearing we're in 27 different countries. Oh really? What does that mean? I was like, well, here's the world, and here.
Yeah, that's cool. Good idea.
That is great. And you did that. You wanted. I remember a week ago you were saying oh yeah, the GPS would be great. And then this conversation went through, and then we're like, great, let's escalate that product item up and done, finish it. So thank you. Any recommendations on that piece of project that you found some insightful things?
Yeah. So there's two ways to approach the using Google Maps on the site. One is using the WordPress plugin. The other one is doing it from scratch. So because there's a heavy use of WordPress plugins already on the site, I decided to use a WordPress plugin to not disrupt the way things are done on the website. But using the plugin does not give me a lot of freedom in terms of what I want to do with that map. So process improvement is maybe start using more custom code rather than adding a bunch of WordPress plugins, so we have more freedom when we have to code something.
Excellent. Well, I'm glad we have it documentation right now as a demo, and that the next time, or maybe perhaps in that Trello card that's being done, we can put a note in there, or even make a separate card in our backlog of that note saying, perhaps in the future we want to explore different options other than WordPress, so we can have more freedom and with less constraints to tackle this.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
No, it's good. It's well, perfect. Well, thank you.
Sure.
And that is us. Have a good night.